Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Miss Samira, your English teacher. How are you all? I hope you're doing good at your homes. Welcome to the video lectures, Class 3, Subject English, Lecture number 12. Book name is Grammar and Usage. Let's see the content of today's lecture. First of all, we will have some instructions, then an introduction to the topic, after it an explanation of the topic, and at the end we will do the written work. Let's start off with some instructions. I want all my students to be ready and fully prepared. They should give their full concentration to the lecture. Take out all the things that are required, your books, copies, your stationery items. Supervision of parents or elder siblings is required. And last but not the least, you have to do the written work properly and neatly on your neat copies or books, and consider it as your first term work. Let's start today's topic. Today we have to do singular and plural nouns. I hope most of you are well aware of this concept because you have already done it in the previous classes. First of all, let's see what singular and plural means. Singular means one. So the nouns that are one in number are known as singular nouns. Plural means more than one. Nouns that are more than one in number, they may be 2, 5, 10, 50, 100, they are known as plural nouns. How to change singular nouns to plural nouns? For this purpose, we need to follow some rules. First one is by adding s. So, in some nouns, we can change the singular form to plural form by simply adding s to them. For example, girl, girls, toy, toys, book, books. Coming to the next rule. In some nouns, we have to add es in place of s to make their plural form. The words that are ending in o, s, ss, x, ch or sh, in those words we need to add es in their plural form. For example, glass, glasses. So we have s, so we add es to its plural form. Box, boxes. Brush, brushes. Mango, mangoes. Coming to the next point. The nouns which are ending in f or fe, in those nouns we use ves in the plural form. We don't use s or es, we use ves in place of f or fe. For example, life, lives, shelf, shelves, loaf, loaves. So, we are adding ves in their plural form. Coming to the next point, the nouns that are ending in the letter y, but they have a consonant before y, in those nouns, when we are changing their singular form to plural form, we use ies in place of y. For example, story, stories, fly, flies, lorry, lorries. Consonants are all those letters other than the vowels. See, you know what vowels are, a, e, I, o, u. So the other letters are known as consonants. Now, rule number 5. The words which are ending in y but they have a vowel before y. As I told you before, vowels are a, e, I, o, u. So in those nouns, we don't use ies in their plural form, we just use s. For example, key, keys, tray, trays, boy, boys. So see the examples, we have a vowel before Y, so their plural form simply have S, not IES. Now coming to the last point, some nouns, they have a total change of spellings in their plural form. For example, tooth, teeth, child, children, man, men. So in these nouns we don't add S, ES or VES or IES. We simply change the spellings. The whole word is changed. These were the rules which we have to follow when we are changing the singular form of a noun to its plural form. You must remember them properly. Now let's start Unit 5, exercise number 10. It is on page number 32 and 33 of your grammar and usage books. So students, get ready, take out your books and open page number 32 and give the date and day properly on that page, because we are going to solve exercise 10 now. In this exercise, you have to rewrite the following sentences, change the nouns into their plural forms as shown. So there's an example given. Let's see the example first of all. This is a book. We cannot simply change the noun to its plural form. We have to make other changes in the sentence as well. Let's see what these changes are. So book is the noun. We are going to change it into books. This will be changed to these. In place of the helping verb is, we are going to use are. And we are not going to use are because are is used with a singular noun. So this is a book. We change it as these are books. Now see the first sentence of the exercise. This is a key. How we are going to change it? These are keys. In place of this, we will use these. In place of is, are, we are going to use are. And key will be keys, plural form keys. Children, please write these sentences in the line given below the sentence in your books. Write it neatly and properly. Sentence number 2. This is a child. These are children. Same changes in the sentence. Sentence number 3. This is a shelf. These are shells. Sentence number 4. This is a calf. These are calves. Sentence number 5. This is a box. Its answer, these are boxes. Boys and girls, please write very neatly on your books. Start the sentence with the capital letter and put a full stop at the end. Moving on to the next sentence. Sentence number 6. This is a monkey. These are monkeys. Number 7. This is John's pen. There's an apostrophe S here showing ownership. These are John's pens. Sentence number 8. This is a snake. These are snakes. Sentence number 9. This is a mouse. The plural of mouse is mice. So the sentence becomes these are mice. Sentence number 10. This is my friend. These are my friends. So students, this was exercise number 10. We have followed the rules which we discussed before. Make sure you complete this exercise properly on your books and recheck it also. That was all for today. I hope you have understood everything. If you have any problems or queries, you can ask me. I am here for your guidance. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.